Okay.
Playing OG. Actually, I'm going to turn the heating up.
I'm from the UK.
Hey, Lordy, how you doing? Back. Yeah, trying to do ranked at the moment. Already on your emote wheel. Okay, excellent, excellent. Good, good. Glad you like it. Right. I keep getting mouth ulcers. So they disappear and then they come back again. It's so annoying. 1030 now gets a 5-year warranty on his on his controller, so hopefully that will be Hi Clouds, how are you doing? Yeah. Well, his controller broke last night. So I guess we had I never bothered doing it really that much, but in our office that we had, the kettle kept going wrong. You know, like after a year or 18 months, and it was on like I think a 5-year warranty. So Maria, who I used to work with, kept taking it back and just getting a brand new one the whole time. I was going to ask you if you knew anyone that could play Middle East with Nana and me later, but Robster's going to play, so he's off today. So. You should be able to take it back to the you know, wherever you got it from, the shop that you got it from, and get them to replace it, and then they send it back to the manufacturer or their supplier. Canada, not worth it. Canada is on has got a post strike at the moment. I heard Bushcamp Dab mentioning it on stream. Because he was going to send some autographs out and can't because of the strike. And then someone in the post tried to send something to Canada and they couldn't. They wouldn't even take the delivery. So I don't know how long the post strike's going to last there. I was going to ask Nana actually.